back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze search traffic in Google Search Console in 2026. Understanding your search traffic helps you identify where your visitors come from, which pages perform best, and what improvements can increase your organic traffic. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your verified website. From the left-hand menu, click *** performance ***, then open the **search results *** report. At the top of the report, enable all four metrics: total clicks ***, total impressions ***, average CTR ***, and average position ***. These numbers provide an overview of your website's performance in Google Search. Next, choose a date range. You can analyze the last 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, 12 months, or compare two different periods to see whether your traffic is increasing or decreasing over time. Scroll down to the report table. The *queries ** tab shows which search terms bring visitors to your website. The *pages ** tab reveals which pages receive the most organic traffic. The countries ** tab shows where your visitors are located, while the *devices ** tab tells you whether users are searching from desktop, mobile, or tablet. To analyze a specific page, click *new *, choose *page ***, and enter the page URL. This lets you see the exact keywords, clicks, impressions, and average position for that page. Pay attention to pages with high impressions but low clicks. This usually means your page is appearing in Google Search, but users aren't clicking on it. Improving your title tag and meta description can often increase your click-through rate. Also, look for keywords ranking on the second page of Google, as these are good opportunities for SEO improvements. You can also export your traffic data by clicking the *export ** button and downloading it as Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. This makes it easier to create reports and monitor your website's growth over time. That's it. You've successfully learned how to analyze search traffic in Google